Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco X3. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box, and in the box you will have a little yellow box again, and if you open this yellow box here you will find the pin at this place. So just remove the wings like this and remove it like that. So otherwise you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. With the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you just enter the hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you are able to insert one SIM card if you want, or two SIM cards, or one SIM card with a microSD card. So, but you cannot insert two SIM cards next to a microSD card at the same time. So please take care. So let's start with the first SIM card, with the main SIM card. You will put it here on the first place like this. So missing corner on missing corner. So the missing corner is here on the top. And the contacts are below. Okay. And in case if you want to add a second SIM card, you can do that. You will put it here on this position. So now the missing corner is down. So missing corner again here on missing corner. And the contacts are of course below. Okay, and if you want you can add a microSD card, but instead of a second SIM card, so you can just use one SIM card. And if you want to enter a microSD card, you will put a microSD card here on that position. It has to look like this then. And the contacts are below as well. Okay. Then after you put your construction back into the phone, like this, shake a bit, and it is inserted. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.